I got the Menghomeus Floral Bed King Size Comforter from Amazon. It was $40.47. It comes in this plastic bag. Inside the bag is another gray zippered bag. Here's our comforter, which is yet again inside another bag. This looks to be vacuum sealed. I'll peel this open. Once you rip a hole in the bag, it fills with air and expands. So let's take it out. Let's open it up. It's all gray on this one side. On the other side is where the pillows were. So let's unfold those. These pillows have a flower design. And there's the back. The back is gray. Everything is washed. Here's the comforter and the pillowcases on the bed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.